Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer UI layouts into Klaviyo email builder, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the email section of your dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button to begin. Select the email option from the drop-down menu. Choose a name for your campaign and click Continue. This will take you to the email builder interface. Start by selecting a layout that matches your design needs. You can choose from a variety of pre-built templates or start from scratch. If you have a specific design in mind, open your graphic design software. Export your UI layout as a high-resolution image file. In Klaviyo's email builder, click on the image block. Upload your exported design image. Adjust its size and alignment to fit your email layout. Now, add text blocks where necessary to match your design. Click on the text block to insert titles, descriptions, or other content. Customize the font, size, and color to align with your UI design. You can also include buttons by dragging and dropping the button block. Edit the button text and link it to the relevant URL. Next, incorporate any additional elements like dividers or social links. Make sure to adjust the spacing and margins for a clean layout. Preview your email to ensure it looks appealing across different devices. Send a test email to yourself to check for any issues. Once satisfied with the design, click on the Review button. Finally, schedule or send your campaign as desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.